This is the Abhyakt Murli of 17th January 2021, original 14 October 1987. Title: Brahmin life is the life to experience all relationship with the Father. Today, Bab Dada has once again come to meet his children who have celebrated many meetings and who have been meeting him for many cycles. This alokik meeting cannot take place even in the future beautiful golden age. Only the time of this special age has this blessing of a meeting between the father and the children. This is why this age is called the conference age. That is the age in which to celebrate a meeting. In such an age, it is you soul who are the special actors who celebrate such an elevated meeting. Bap Dada too is pleased to see you, handful of elevated, fortunate souls out of multi-millions, and her reminds you of this fact. How many things has Baba reminded you of from the beginning till the end? If you remember these, a lost list will emerge. He has reminded you of so many things that all of you have become embodiment of remembrance. On the path of devotion, devotees continue to have remembrance at every moment as a memorial of you souls who are embodiment of remembrance. They continue to remember the speciality of every action of you souls who are embodiment of remembrance. The speciality of devotion is to remember, that is, to sing praise. While having remembrance, they become so lost in that intoxications that for a short time they have no awareness of anything. While remembering, they become lost in that is, they become absorbed in that. The experience they have for a short time is so lovely and unique for those souls. Why is that? Because the soul they remember were constantly merged in love for the Father. Those souls were constantly lost in all the attainment they had received from the Father. That is why, when such souls are remembered, those devotee souls receive for a short time a drop of that experience from you blessed souls. So just think, if devotee souls who remember them have such an alokik experience, then how many experiences do you souls who are embodiment of remembrance, bestower of blessings and bestower of fortune, have in your practical life? Always continue to move forward with these experiences. Blessing. May you be multi-million times fortunate and receive 100-fold return of one at the confluence age. Only the confluence is age where you receive 100-fold practical fruits of one. Once you simply have the thought, I belong to the Father, I am a master, almighty authority, we will experience the intoxications of being a conqueror of Maya and of being victorious. To have this elevated thought is the seed, and the greatest fruits of that is that the Father, the Supreme Soul, Himself come in human form to meet you. All fruits are included in this fruits slogan. A true Brahmin is one who face and character give the experience of the personality and royalty of purity. Once again, a true Brahmin is one who face and character gives the experience of the personality and royalty of purity. Om Shanti.